Welcome to homework.
Hello everyone, so here to find out the angles, we have to find point of intersection. So here cos x equals to half, where x is cos inverse half. So here are the solutions. So to find out the area, cos x minus half dx from, so this is, so area is sine pi by 3 minus sine minus pi by 3 minus half pi by 3 plus half pi by 3. So we have the answer root 3. Thank you.